Hello guys, today is a special day. I'm here to bring you guys to see a 25 years old smart, a longtime friend. Hopefully we got to meet him in person. Just as a reminder, there is only a handful of them in China. So today's gonna be a special day. Follow me. Oops, seems too early. The door's not even open. Let's try another one. Follow me. Hopefully the door should be open. Let me try. Nice, let's get in. Ta-da! Today's main character, the 25 years old smart, the number one or first generation of mass production smart. There's several tips, or I would say stories behind the vehicle. First, take a look at the smart logo. Unlike today's smart logo, this is a very simple, original, literally a sticker on the car. So just to reveal the story behind the letter S-M-A-R-T. S representing Swatch, the watch manufacturer. M representing Mercedes-Benz. Art, easy to understand, the masterpiece, an art piece. So actually it's a Swatch collaborating with Mercedes made art piece. Easy to remember. Many of you guys may not know. And the second story I wanted to tell you guys is actually this smart. When the vehicle meet the market, it set a benchmark for vehicle design. It's called a four-wheel, four-corner. As you can see, all the four wheels are at the edge of the vehicle. This creating maximized result for the interior capacity. That is why when this vehicle in the market, in the advertisement, they invited the all-time NBA player, Shaq O'Neal, to representing the vehicle. The big guy can fit in a small vehicle. So that's the second story. The third story is very important for today's topic. To showing you this vehicle will be the silver part of the body. As you can see front and the side. This is called eggshell. Internally, we call it a tritium cell. The vehicle actually acting as a one piece. Even the vehicle is small, but actually it's very safe. Speak of safety, we wanted to give you guys a question. Would you guys think make a small car versus a bigger car, which it's much more easier to make a vehicle safer? So if you know the answer, leave your answer to the comment area. Now, let's get into the safety perspective. "25 years old. The first impression sitting in a car, it's really big and really strong 25 years old French cologne smell. But that's not today's point. Today's point, it's about safety. As long as Smart carried a letter M, which means Mercedes-Benz, the safety will be no compromise. In Mercedes-Benz, they believe make cars that hold up not only in a defined crash test scenario, but also in real-life accidents. In 1959, Mercedes-Benz set the industry-first benchmark using a vehicle running into concrete. That is a very bold statement. Decades later, when Smart was born, guess what? We're using the vehicle running to the concrete to testing whether we have the same standard as Mercedes-Benz. Nevertheless, smart people taking it to another level. We're using the big brother, the S-Class, head-to-head in a cross test scenario to try whether the little brother can hold up. The result, phenomenal. That is why the vehicle is being recognized the safest car on the planet. So you may know the answer. I left the question with you guys. Whether the small car or big car are easier to make safer. Now fast forward 25 years later, we're at the latest smart model. As you can see from the logo to the design factor, many things has changed. The size get bigger and bulkier design. But something kept unchanged, which will be the safety. the core value of smart. Ever since 1997, the Euro NCAP introducing the industry standard, smart, along with the big brother Mercedes-Benz, held always top rank. That's something industry recognized. Following, I want to bring you guys to reveal details how this vehicle is such safe vehicle and what elements support the safety standards. Follow me.